Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Utility questions get easy fast when you track where total satisfaction stops rising. So watch this and find Juliet's best weekly salad choice quickly. Total utility is maximized at the quantity where adding one more salad no longer improves overall satisfaction. So we look down the table and track utility as salads increase. According to the table, compare each additional salad and see how total utility changes from one quantity to the next, because the best choice is right before utility stops increasing. For the fifth salad, marginal utility is no longer helping total utility rise, so the maximum happens at 4 salads per week. Well done! Option D. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust the given information and check steps, because the maximum comes before extra salad.